Hello, I want to show you how you can use the profiles, the color profiles in Camera Raw or Lightroom or Evoto. In this case, I will show you how you can use it in Camera Raw. Once you have installed in Camera Raw, it will be available also in Lightroom. For Evoto, you need to install it in Evoto. So if you want to install the profiles in Camera Raw, what you need to do is go to the Profile tab, do right-click, import profiles and presets, and select the zip file with the profiles. Once you install, you will see this Frost tab in here, and now we can navigate through the different profiles we have installed. We have differences between these styles. Basically, we have one main color plus light difference. For example, we have a neutral white, and then we have the same variant with contrast or light increasement, contrast, light and contrast. The same for a warm version, depending of your camera, your settings, your lights, your LED lights. You will want one or another. And also, we have done few variants for Nikon, especially for old Nikon cameras, not mirrorless, maybe the older cameras. It tends to have a lot of red and magenta in the sensor. So maybe if you use these cameras, you will want to use this, or this will be a better base for those cameras than for example, a Canon. If you use Canon and you use these profiles, maybe you will see these a little greenish. Don't worry, we have options. So for example, let's say we want to use normal neutral white. Once we select this, it will be applied to all the images, as you can see. And also, let me show you a quick before and after. We want to use this profile, but maybe we feel this is too much. So you can use this top adjustment bar. So you will be able to handle kind of the opacity of this color profile. It's not exactly the opacity, but it's something similar. It's more like the intensity of the color profile over the image. The good part of this is when you use a profile instead of a preset, you will find you haven't changed any of all these sliders. When you use a preset, you change these sliders, but with the profile, we will be able to keep working like we haven't done anything with sliders. And also how the profile interact with the image, it will depends of how you move these sliders. For example, in the case the profile is made for interact more with the highlights or change the color in the highlights, and now you decide to increase the highlights, you will see the preset is like automatically change the color in the highlights to something different depending of how the preset is and the color profile is made. I'm sorry. So think about the color profile as a layer over the image, and when you affect the base of the image, the color profile will take care of all the changes and automatically update what you're watching. So I think for the moment, this is kind of all. If you want to use the profiles in Evoto, it's really simple. All you need to do is go to the Profile tab and click in the plus icon and then select the profile, and that's the folder or all the profiles you want to import, and it will be imported automatically. It's really simple. Once you have installed here in Camera Raw, it will be available also in Lightroom. Remember, you will need to restart Lightroom for see the new profiles. Okay, I think that's all. If you have any question, you can find us, or you can find me in the group, or you can send us an email and we will help you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.